Alright guys, Georgia Jim, got a Basi K10. This is a Dom IX10KG clone. It's got 10 pins and one of them is a interactive pin. This ball bearing comes up and overlifts that pin. See, the lock works. It's locked up. Alright. Alright, let me get this moved over just a little bit. There we go. I'll get my finger off that microphone. Alright. I'm on the back pin. There's a click on it. It's pin 2. Pin 1. Come back to where you at? That was pin 3. And we'll set pin 1 again. That was pin 5 again. We should have everything on that side set. Turn this noise gate down just a little bit. There we go. And we're going to, that's pin 3 on the left. 5. And on these finned key pins, like you'll find on the DOMs, they you have to really get your high lifts high. I have to actually like angle my pick back as I lift them, or you can just flip it over and try to lift like that, which I didn't get anything off of it. So. Double check this pin 1. Alright, I think it's good. So now we'll go back and hit this interactive. And we've got the lock open. Alright, so let me turn this microphone off. There we go. And we'll get this thing gutted. Out the way. Set that there. Come down a bit. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing opened up. I haven't gutted this yet, so hopefully I can get this clip off without making a mess. Alright. Let me lock it back. Alright. I doubt these are going to fit in there, but here's to hoping. No, they're not. I hate trying to gut these. Or get the these C-clips off like this. These brass clips are a pain in the ass. It'll take me longer to get in. Ouch! Get into that than get into the lock. Let me grab my little screwdriver here. I think that should do it, hopefully. There we go. Let me grab a shim. If I can get it all the way in there. Nah. Alright, this is, hope I don't have a harder time gutting it as I did on the last video. Is this the right one? I think that's about the best we're going to get. So, here's to hoping. And we dropped 2, 3. Yeah. Well, let's get the drivers out first. Since I had a few fall. Because I put that, let that catch my drivers. So, we've got a couple of spools. And I'll give you guys a close-up on these in a second. And I'll get these figured out where they belong. Alright, that was... one of these went in number 1, so we'll put that there. We've got 2 and 3. So we'll leave those there. Alright, this is, we'll just call this number 3. Here's number 2. And I mangled a spring. Of course. We can fix that though. Here's number 4. You go ahead and get this poor spring that's been gemmed up. Let me knock out these other 4 springs. And they don't want to come out. And we'll leave them in there. We all know what springs look like. Alright. Figure out what went where. Alright, we just send another one flying. Because this is how I do things. Alright, so 5. We're missing 1 for 6. So we'll call that one 6. Let's go. No, I've got to go this way. Oh, this will be fun to put back together. Alright. That's 7. 8. 9. Here's the interactive for 10. Let's see if we do springs. There we go. Get out of there. Well, I'm on a roll with gutting disasters. Get out of there. I see you in there. I only managed to mangle one spring, so I got replacements. And I believe that was all of them. Let's see if we can get these key pins out. Let's see. Yeah, they're going to be typical Dom style and not want to come out. So this we'll call it. I said we'll call that one, but we'll call it an asshole for not wanting to come out. All right, there's one. Come on. Even when you push on them, they don't like to come out. They got very good tolerances. There we go. That's two. Three. Four. I said four. Well, we're halfway there. All right, that was five. Six. Come on. Seven. Eight. Nine. And here's interactive. All right. And we have some key control pins. I don't think they're going to come out. And we have one here as well. And those, what did I do with the key? Those interact with these side cuts on the key. They're just basically a key control feature. And you can see the teardrop pins. And let's see, I'm gonna flip this around. I'll get you guys. That's that odd little shape of the key pins, and we can see they have shark fin key pins, which is kind of a pain to get your pick under. Alright, I believe every pin in this lock is a spool except for that interactive. So, and I'll give you guys a close-up of the pins. can see, like I said, they all the key pins have this oblong teardrop shape, as do the driver pins. And from what I understand, the reason that's done is to make the shear line as tight as possible. These actually have a curve to them at the top, if I can get that to focus, that rides along the curvature of the cylinder. So that's it, guys. This is the Basi K10. Like I said, it's a DOM IX10KG clone. Alright, you guys have a great one.